to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well, and today's video is super exciting because I just received a huge box. I don't even know if I can lift it because of my hand, but I received a huge box from NYX Cosmetics India, and there's a ton of products in there. I actually posted on my Instagram, I posted a poll asking you guys if you all wanted to see any unboxing video, and 94% of y'all said that yes, you'll want an unboxing video. So yes, that is what I'm going to do today. I'm not trying to like brag or something and show you, oh my god, I received so many goodies. Nothing like that. I generally love watching such unboxing videos, so since so many of y'all wanted that as well, so that's what I'm going to do. Also, I'm very grateful to NYX for sending in these goodies to me. They really liked my work and that's why they sent this to me, and really grateful for that. So yeah, let's get started with the video. And for some reason, I don't think I can talk really well today. I'm just like fumbling all the time. So yeah, just let's get but yeah, before we jump into the unboxing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell on so that you know when I upload a new video, because otherwise I will not show up on your feed. So make sure you hit the bell icon. And yeah, let's get started. So yeah, this is the box right here, and once you open it up, you can definitely see my scar on this hand. But yeah, this is how it looks like on the inside. There's a lot of stuff in here. So first off, they sent me these makeup sponges. This is a multi-formula disc sponge, and this is a teardrop foundation sponge. And yeah, I haven't used sponges like this before to do my makeup. Maybe something like this I have for my powder, but nothing like this. So let's see how this performs. They sent me 4 gorgeous pair of lashes. This one is the Wicked lashes. This is in the style Tease. Looks really pretty. Then I have the style called Vixen, and I think I'm really gonna love this one. Then we have the style number 04. My god, this looks so gorgeous. This is going to be like really dramatic for sure. And then we have the style number 01. All of these are like super pretty. I received this NYX No Filter Finishing Powder. This is in the shade Beige, and this retails for ₹1000. I think they sent me another shade as well. This is in the shade Sand. So I have 2 shades right here. Sand definitely is going to be a little too dark for me. I'm going to open this up. I think this will match me pretty well, and it feels really soft to touch. So very curious to see how this performs. Next one is this ombre blush. This is in the shade Strictly Chick. Now I have been wanting to try out these blushes for the longest time, and I always looked at the price. It retails for ₹1200, so it's pretty pricey. And you guys, is such a pretty shade. Oh my god, I love this color, and it's a beautiful like a peachy coral shade. I'm actually going to pop on a little bit of this right now because I cannot wait. Oh, it looks so pretty. Then they sent me the NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It Matte Finishing Powder. This is how it looks like. The shade that I have is medium dark. So I'm going to open this right now, maybe only when I do a tutorial. And this is how the shade looks like. I think it's going to be a good match for me. Next, I have this very pretty looking product. This is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up. What is this supposed to be? I don't really know if this is a primer. Kind of reminds me of my Indulge Essentials Rose Gold Oil. It has like gold flakes in it, which says it increases skin radiance, collagen for smoother skin, honey, a natural antiseptic. Something I would use before I do my makeup, and it looks really pretty in the bottle. And then I have 4 of their Total Control drop foundations. I actually already have 2 shades with me, and I did a full first impressions kind of review video, wear test video on them on my channel. It's already up, and the 2 shades that I had were not the perfect match for me. I don't even remember the shade names, but yeah, they sent me 4 of these drop foundations. I have the shade number 14, and then I have 12, number 9 and number 10. This is the shade number 9, then we have 12 and then we have 14. Then they sent me 3 shades of the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. I think I have their liquid foundation in the same range, the Stay Matte But Not Flat Foundation. Comes in kind of a tube, and I have the shades number 12 Tawny, I have Warm Beige with me, and then I have Tan number 9 with me. So this is the shade Warm Beige. It comes with a puff right in there, and I think it's going to be a good match to set my entire face. Not going to look too fair or too dark. So I have like these 2 brow products right here. This is the NYX Gel Eyebrow Gel. It retails for rupees 600. This is how the eyebrow gel looks like. This is in the shade Chocolate, and this is how the color looks like, and I think it's going to be a pretty decent match for my eyebrows. Also sent me their Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Brunette. So Brunette, I don't know if this is going to go well for me. It looks a bit ashy on the inside, and I don't really know if it's going to be a good match. And I also have the NYX Kohl Kajal Black Liner. Just like a basic kajal pencil. Let me see how black it is. Wow, that is creamy and very black. Then I have like this whole bunch of, I think these are all lip products. So many of them, and I think there are also like liquid highlighters in here. So I have these 3 liquid suede cream lipsticks, and they are very pretty shades. Each of these retail for rupees 850. The shade that I have right here is number 08. Does it have a name? Yeah, it's called Pink Lust. So that's the shade right here. It looks pretty like a neon pink shade, but looks very vibrant and very beautiful. So I also have the shade number 03, which is called Cherry Skies, and I have the shade Soft Spoken. Oh my god, finally I have this shade in my collection. This is like their most best-selling shade in this range. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. Oh my god, these shades are gorgeous. So that right here in the center is Soft Spoken, and then we have Cherry Skies. Okay, I'll have another shade from their suede range. This is the Metallic Matte in the shade number 39. So that right here is Modern Maiden. And I also have the NYX High Definition Eyeshadow Base. This is in the shade 04. Retails for rupees 725. Just looks like a black eyeshadow base. That's the one. Also have their lip luster in the shade Mystic Gypsy. I think these are more glossy and not like matte ones. Where do I swatch this? Wow, that's a pretty shade. Very pretty shade, very like orangey red kind of a shade. Also have another metallic matte. This is in the shade Bella Lip. This looks really nice. It looks like a rose gold color. Where do I swatch it? That is such a pretty shade, you guys. Look at that, it's so pretty. I also have the NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Rose Quartz. It's a rose gold kind of a shade. Ooh, that's very creamy. It's like a peachy gold color. It looks really pretty. Definitely not something I can use on the high points of my cheeks, but I can use it like over a blush as a blush topper, and it looks really pretty though. So they gave me this NYX Slide On Glide On eye pencil. This is in the shade Azure, and this is what I have actually on my waterline today. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and these are so creamy, so pigmented. They look stunning, so vibrant. So yeah, that is what is on my lower waterline today. Looks really pretty. I have their concealer pencil. This is the crayon concealers. I have the shade Classic Tan, and then I also have the shade Sand, and I have the shade Honey Beige. So yeah, this is how they look like. I had their which is that, comes in like a squeezy tube concealer. That's really nice. I cannot recollect the name though. So then I have two of their jumbo eye pencils. So many of us love these formulas. They're really nice to use as an eyeshadow base. You just want a wash of color. These are very nice. So that is Pure Gold, and here is Strawberry Milk. Very pretty shades. I also have this gorgeous mascara. It's Volume and Define mascara. I have another mascara from NYX which has the similar color packaging. I think a double XL mascara. I don't really remember the name, but that's a really nice mascara as well. So I have two of their matte lipsticks here. I do have a broken nail because this packaging is like, the plastic is really annoying to take off. And I have the shade number 43. This is called Crazed. And then I have 32, which is called Siren. So the one right here is Crazed, and then we have Siren right here. Beautiful shades. I think they look really nice for like the wedding season. Dark lips. Looks really nice. I also have two more shades of the Liquid Suede cream lipsticks. I have the shade number 05. This is called Orange County. Wow, that's a beautiful shade of orange. I love orange lipsticks. And then I also have a vintage, it's called Vintage Retro, I think. Beautiful, like a deep vampy kind of a shade. So then I have a couple of like eye pencils and lip pencils. This is the Slide On eye pencil in the shade Platinum. Looks like a beautiful silver shade. And then I also have the retractable lip liners. Now these are very good lip liners. So I have the shades Plum, this is Dark Red, then Sienna, and then I have the shade Ruby. And then they also sent me their gel liner in black, and I was really wanting to buy a new black gel liner. This is how it looks on the inside. It looks to be pretty black. It does have a clear film on top. I'm not going to remove that right now. Now moving on to the last set of some exciting products. I have three palettes with me. So first I have this Dreamcatcher palette. This is in the shade Golden Horizons. Are all the shades. They look like baked eyeshadows. Feel nice and soft to touch though. So I do have a couple of NYX eyeshadow palettes and I absolutely love them. Especially their Warm Neutrals palette is like my absolute favorite. And in fact, I'm using one of their NYX palettes today on my eyes. This is the NYX Elements In Your Element eyeshadow palette in the shade Fire. This is what I have on my eyes today, and it comes in some stunning shades. Look at them, they're so beautiful, and they're so easy to work with. They also sent me the NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette, and this is in the shade Smoke Screen. These shades look so pretty. I don't have any palette in my collection that has some like cool tone shades like these, and I really wanted to swatch this blue. Ooh, that's pretty. And even this light shade, oh, they are so beautiful. Moving on to the last and the most exciting product for me in this whole bunch, and this is the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette. I am so happy to finally have this with me. Like literally, I have been wanting to have this palette for so long now, and I used to always think that whether I really need it because I have so many highlighters with me already. But I have seen so many YouTubers, so many makeup artists use this, and it looks so stunning. Like I remember seeing I Love Sarahi. If you watch her on YouTube, she's such an amazing artist, and she uses this palette and it looks so good on her. And this retails for Rs 2000, so it's pretty expensive here in India. Oh my god, look at these highlighting shades. They look so beautiful, so pretty. I'm in fact going to use a little bit of it right now. I know I do have a lot of highlighter on already, but I'm still going to use. I'm going to pick up this beautiful like champagne shade. You guys, is so pretty. So yeah guys, those were all the stuff that NYX Cosmetics India sent to me, and I'm super excited to use them, play with them, see how they perform. If you want me to review certain products, let me know in the comment section, and what kind of tutorials you would want me to do using these products. yeah, I'm really excited to film some really interesting looks using all of those gorgeous products. So yeah, I hope you all really enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, then please give it a thumbs up. And yes, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know this must have been a super long video already. So yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.